Hello and welcome. This is one of my favourite vehicles. I think it's a favourite vehicle because it's so unusual. This was originally introduced in 2022. I have seen a couple of them on the road, but I mean, I suppose that's a couple more than I've seen for many other vehicles. What's clever about this is it's a vehicle with that thing at the top. But anyway, that thing at the top, let's go and have a look at it, how it works in practice. Now, this is going to cost 130,000 euros, and it's 7 meters, 690 centimeters in length. But what that thing on the top offers is this. Let's come to the back to start off with. We've got this wonderfully large dressing room, absolutely brilliant. Lots of space in here. In here we'll find why I call it a dressing room. We've got these storage compartments, and look at that enormous large wardrobe with your drawers here. Below we've also got access down here to the garage. And okay, so if you want to have a look at your bike, or you've got something down there, keep it out of the way, I think that is super practical. Notice this thing here seems a bit, could do with a little bit of attention on that. Wonderful, wonderful washroom. And now the kitchen here, super kitchen. It's all of this space in here. I like the way this thing here slides out. Look at that, there's your sink. Let's come over here. We've got here 3 burners. We've got these drawers down here, and yeah, places to keep things in. So great. I mean, this to me, superb. Lots and lots of space here. And also this bit here will also come out as well. There you go. If you want to very well thought out. And up here, okay, that's relatively standard. A bit more storage there. Television can go there. Yeah, television's a bit of a problem. How are you going to watch it? Because L-shaped sitting group here, and there is the driving position. This is the pièce de résistance, so I've kept this until the end. Steps leading up to the bedroom up here. And let's have a look at this. Right, so I think it could be more light here. I can't see what the light switch is though. I'm assuming there isn't. Oh no, there's lights. There is lights over there. But anyway, right. So this here is made available thanks to this tent. That is air. This is produced by a company called X Gloo, and this as an innovation, I think is outstanding. It was first we saw it in the Hymer Venture S, and lots of people, me included, didn't think it was going to work very well. And but I think that this is it's very it brings the tent in the roof into a totally new world. The insulation is really very, very good. Now in this case here, the Venture S is somewhat let down by having a large sort of window in it, but hey, you can't open that to be your window, so to speak. But I think that the insulation of this product, which incidentally, one thing you think, oh, it might puncture. Well, according to what they tell me, I haven't actually done it myself, but it's like a repair kit comes with it. It's if you do puncture it, it's just gonna, you lose 1 cell, or as many cells as have been punctured. So the whole thing just won't collapse as a result of that. And it's like the bike repair kit that people of my age had to repair the punctures on their inner tubes with, for those who remember such things. So they showed it to me. So I'm really a big believer in this. Now the big question of course is though, how easy or not will the will it go up and down. Now it goes up in about 90 seconds, something like that, to being fully operational. But anything where there's moving parts, obviously there is a bit of a problem with, and I'd be the first to accept that. Also, I mean, you're not going to be doing much stealth camping with this thing open like this. Presumably there's an alarm if you try driving off with the thing up. But I think it is really, really good. And this is definitely, in my opinion, a top of the range idea. I do, of course, appreciate that maybe people are a bit wary about using something of this nature. That at the top, that really big skylight, that really adds to it. Now, so we've also got storage in the steps leading up there. What if you couldn't actually get it up? What would happen in these circumstances? Well, I'll tell you what I'd do. I'd have a pneumatic mattress on standby somewhere down here. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm quite enthusiastic about this model. Right, so you've got here, you can see you've got this thing here that'll actually, you put the key in there, then you press the button to make the thing go up. I do have to state though, as enthusiastic as I am about it, I still have one or two little doubts about how well it's going to work in practice. Okay, one or two other practical things to deal with. So you've got the double floor down here, storage in the double floor. You can keep your pneumatic mattress down there. You've got storage here as well as you come in and out. I've got a feeling that would make a good full-time vehicle. Window in the door. There's a bin there for your rubbish. There's a bin for the dog's lead, and the dog's collar can go in there. Comes, of course, with the garage that I mentioned earlier. And I think you possibly, well, you get one bike in there, you might get two, who knows. I do appreciate it's the price is, it's not cheap. You get a canoe in there. Well, maybe, no, actually, probably couldn't. Get skis in there. So, hope I haven't been too enthusiastic about that, given the possible pitfalls of the vehicle. But I do appreciate. I know. Anything that's mechanical can break, and I believe in the X Gloo system very strongly. My doubts are more on the mechanism lifting the thing up and down. But anyway, I'm far more positive about this. And if you see videos I did when it came out, I was highly doubtful then, and not only me, other people as well. Thanks for watching.